This video is for new students who will be signing up for housing at Wingate University, including first-year students and transfer students. After logging on to your housing portal, you will select Housing Application and Spring Break Request and New Student Housing Application. You will read the housing contract and then sign and click Continue at the bottom. And then you will fill out some supplementary information, beginning with your contact information. You will have the opportunity to share more about your gender identity and select some questions based on your housing preferences, such as my expectations for sharing personal items with my roommate, expectations for sleeping habits, room organizations, television habits, and other important questions. You'll be able to note whether you'd like to live in a single gender building, a mixed gender building with single gender floors, or a mixed gender building and mixed gender floors and wings. Note that regardless of what kind of building you live in, all bedrooms and bathrooms are single gender. You'll also be able to indicate if you'd like to live in a specific community such as our Carolina Girls or our First Year Experience Living Learning community. You can find out more information about those spaces on your new Student Orientation Canvas page. You will then click Continue, and you will add in all of your housing emergency contact information. You'll be able to input information for your primary address and your emergency contact. After clicking Continue, you will see that you are now done with the new student housing application. Stay tuned for more information on next steps.